Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Binance to Treasure NFT. First, make sure your Binance account is fully verified and has sufficient funds for any transactions you plan to make. This foundational step is crucial for smooth operations. Next, you'll need to set up a compatible wallet, like MetaMask, and ensure it's properly configured for the Binance Smart Chain. We'll walk through these initial preparations to get you ready for the connection process. Before connecting, you must add the Binance Smart Chain network to your MetaMask wallet. This allows your wallet to interact with BSC-based applications. Then, transfer the necessary tokens, such as BNB, from your Binance account to your MetaMask wallet. Always double-check the wallet address to prevent any loss of funds. This preparation ensures your assets are ready and accessible for use within the Treasure NFT ecosystem. Once your MetaMask wallet is set up with Binance Smart Chain and funded, navigate to the official Treasure NFT marketplace. Look for the Connect Wallet button, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Click this button, and a list of wallet options will appear. Select MetaMask, and a prompt will appear asking for your permission to connect. Confirm this connection to link your wallet to the platform. After connecting, verify that your wallet address is correctly displayed on the Treasure NFT platform, indicating a successful link. If you encounter any issues, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, or attempt the connection using a different web browser. Sometimes, a simple refresh can resolve minor glitches. For persistent problems, ensure your MetaMask extension is updated to its latest version. And speaking of great finds, if your car needs a refresh, check out the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. You can find a link to that, along with other exclusive deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.